There is a really good way and an easy way to know tarot cards and to use them as soon as possible, because that's what we want. We want to use them, and the best way to learn them is to use them. Stick to the 22 major arcanas. Learn the name of the 22 cards. So whenever you wake up in the middle of the night of your dreams, you need to know what is the name of number 6 or number 11 or number 17. As soon as you need to think about which card is what, your mind is already working on something else and you already take your focus away, so you won't be able to go deeper into the card, and that way you are losing energy, you are wasting your energy, so you don't have time to focus. We don't want that. We want to avoid it. My technique was to memorize them. I like to do exercises, and I think it's a healthy thing to do, and it is good for the balance. And therefore, when I was doing push-ups, I was counting, like saying the names of the cards: Magician, High Priestess, Empress, Emperor. And whenever I missed the name, I was constantly doing the push-ups. So yeah, sometimes I did even more than 22, but believe me, my mind was doing its best to memorize everything, because I didn't want to do 30 or 40. Yeah, you may say that most of the cards have their name written on them. It does not have. You wouldn't know that number 9 is the Hermit. Each and every card has tons of meaning, infinite meanings, almost infinite meanings. A lot of times when I'm doing readings, I still, and I think it will be forever like this. I discover new meanings of specific card. That's the joyful part of the journey. You may always have more and more to discover, more and more to explore. And that's why this whole tarot card knowledge is so beautiful, because there's always new things to discover. The first thing to do is to know and to memorize, to learn only one meaning per card. You don't need more. First, just know one. So you might have a picture of the card itself, and later on you may go deeper, and you shouldn't want to learn all the meanings of the Magician first, because it may confuse you and you will have a hard time to know which one to use, which one to pull out of the hat. Let's check the 22 cards quickly. Start by number 1, Magician, Yourself, High Priestess, Intuition, Empress, the Woman, Emperor, Control, Hierophant, Fate, Lovers, Decision, Chariot, Path, Justice, Balance, Hermit, Wisdom, Wheel of Fortune, Karma, Strength, what a surprise, the Hanged Man, Challenges, Death, Cycle, Temperance, Patience, Devil, so many meanings, Fear, the Tower, Changes, Star, Desires, Moon, Acceptance, Sun, Goals, Judgment, Guidance, World, Wholeness, Fool, Freedom. That's it. Do not confuse yourself with a whole spread, so you don't need to memorize which position means what and what are the relationship between the cards here or there. We don't want to confuse ourselves in the very beginning. So the first thing to do, just grab 3 of the cards out of the 22 and put them next to each other. Go along with the meanings I provided. See what it means. You might have a better understanding of the present moment already. Let your intuition do the work. Give your imagination some time to be free and to fly away and to see where it takes you.